Hi, I'm Dave with Detecting, Prospecting, and More. Today we're going to touch on a very basic skill that's needed for any prospector, whether you're sluicing, dredging, or just plain sampling, because every prospector will need the skill of panning. For that we have our finishing pan, we have our snuffer bottle, and we have pay dirt. Because where I live at is not real big gold producing area, I actually buy some gold bearing pay dirt. They guarantee a quarter of a gram at least in their 1 pound bag, and I've always had really good luck with them. So we're going to be doing that and touching on the basics of gold panning. Now with the pay dirt, you guarantee the quarter of a gram. They also give you a small vial with which to put your gold in. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, now what I did for this demonstration is I took the pay dirt straight out of the bag, and since this will be the closest that you'll find it coming out of a sluice or a dredge, this is how we're going to go with it. Now what you're going to want to do, get everything wet, make sure everything's moving. It's what's called stratifying. And what happens is all the heavies will sink to the bottom while lighter stuff will float on top. Now, get it stratified somewhat, then rinse the stuff off the top, the lighter stuff. You keep doing that, and then you'll get down to a point where you'll see your first piece of gold. And that will be the flash in the pan everybody talks about. So I'm going to go ahead and get us down to that part. Fast forward to it. Let's see what comes out. There we have it. Got the flash in the pan. I don't know how well you can see it. Right there, piece of gold. That's what they call the flash in the pan. So we're going to know we're doing it right. We're going to get it on down, and then we're going to use our snuffer bottle to get out the gold. Separate it. Now we're going to use our snuffer bottle to get up the pieces of gold. And we found us a little gold nugget. Now, what you can tell a nugget is if you drop it and it makes a sound when it hits the pan, then it's a nugget. So we're going to try this again. Hopefully you can hear it. But it did make a sound. So, okay, so now that we've gotten all the gold out that we possibly can, we're going to empty this back out. We're going to clean it up a little more. Just going to pan it one more time. Make sure we're good. What we're going to do, going to refill our snuffer bottle. Put it back together. Blow all this really light stuff away. And that is pretty much cleaned up. And what we're going to do, we're going to dry the gold, going to weigh it, and let you know what we get. Okay? See you back. And as with any other prospecting video, we're going to have our weigh-in on how much gold we found. Keep in mind this is from Gold Baron pay dirt, so it's guaranteed to have at least 1/4 of a gram. Here we go. First, the little nugget we found. .07 grams. Now, the rest of the gold that we found. Start off 0.18. So we are looking at 1/4 of a gram. So I'm happy with what we found. If you want to order Gold Baron Pay Dirt, you can get it on Amazon.com, or you can go through Gold Baron itself. Thank you, and thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button below. Thank you. Bye.